Nordea Credit Card Finland pricing explained what you get for your money. If you live in Finland and want a credit card that combines convenience, rewards, and protection, the Nordea Credit Card is an excellent option. Most people get this wrong by focusing solely on fees, but the real value comes from the benefits and coverage that come standard with the card. The Nordea Credit Card earns reward points on nearly all purchases. For example, spending €500 per month could earn points that are redeemable for flights, gift cards, or partner services. It also comes with a generous interest-free period on purchases, usually up to 50 days, allowing you to manage your expenses efficiently. Travel perks make this card stand out. When you book a trip with the card, you automatically get coverage for medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and lost or delayed luggage. Purchase protection and extended warranty safeguard valuable items like electronics or household appliances. Additional benefits like zero liability on unauthorized transactions and fraud monitoring ensure your money and information are safe. The annual fee is competitive, especially considering the comprehensive coverage and rewards program. Worldwide acceptance makes the Nordea Credit Card convenient for domestic and international use alike. In conclusion, the Nordea Credit Card is ideal for anyone in Finland who wants a reliable, secure, and rewarding credit card. Using it strategically can turn everyday spending into real benefits, from travel protection to points that enhance your lifestyle, making the card well worth its annual fee.